What happened? What happened?
You must stop
You're gonna
noise.
die here now. You
Must tell us what happened here. This is our brother.
What happened? What happened?
You are sitting there crying.
What happened?
You have to tell us what happened.
Tell us what happened.
No.
What happened?
Why? If it's not rubbish now, you
What happened?
muzao.
Tell us what happened, you idiot. What happened?
Kalabe kadole kano. Kati kano kadole kabera wano namwe netubera wano.
Shut up. What happened? What food there? What food there? Are you dead? Are you dead? Are you dead? Tell us what happened, you fool. Tell us what happened, you stupid idiot. No. We're not asking her nicely. She's crying now, she's so sober. She's so sober now, she's not even crying anymore. Tell us what happened.
What happened?
Tell us what happened. Tell us. Look at this card. You are like this. Look at you. You, a person loses life for you. You a person losing life for you. I can touch you. I can touch you. I can touch you. I can touch you. Pain for what? Are you in pain? You say he's dead. You say he's dead.
Do you know that this is my husband?
Fuck off. You know why he's dead.
Do you know that
Tell
this
us
is
why
my
he's
husband
dead.
now?
Tell us why he's dead. Tell us why he's dead.
I don't know. Why did you put him under the bed?
Why are you putting under the bed? When Tina came here, why are you pushing him under the bed?
Yes, you did.
Why are you putting him under the bed when Tina was here? Why?
You did. You know why you're shouting? You know why you're
Because he's dead and you're not dead.
It's not because of that.
He's dead and you're not dead.
I was from Uganda. No, none of you will not be shouting.
Tell us why he's
None of you
dead.
will be crying.
Tell us why he's dead.
Because of I'm a South African.
Tell us why he's
You
dead.
guys are making noise.
Tell us why he's dead.
If I was a foreigner, you're not going to shout.
Tell us he's dead.
Why you
Tell
not?
us. Tell us why he's dead. Tell us.
I don't know why you're asking. She's crying. Why did you put him under the bed? Did I? You did.
Couple of days, yes. Couple of days ago. Did you touch him or not with your boyfriends? Did you hit him?
No, we didn't.
You didn't.
That's why I was searching for the paper to show you. Even you can go to the police station there too, they will prove it to you. Even you can
He
go to
find
the
you with
camera
a man
and
when he's fighting you. That man is a police.
No.
He came with a gun.
No.
They beaten him
No.
3 days ago.
Let me tell you
We
this.
know everything.
that man came when we were seated there.
He came to do what? He came here to do what?
He do what?
He came here to do what? That man came here to do what?
That man is from Baramastad.
Okay, he came here to do what? Tell us, he came here to do what?
He was here to collect keys.
Collect what?
Don't say wow.
You know what?
Wow. And we even have the proof of it, of the pills. When they come in, that person came and collected.
So, okay, me, I'm not fighting. What happened? Tell me what happened.
Why did you kill him?
No, don't ask that question. We are asking what
I never
happened.
killed him.
Okay, you never killed him. But what happened?
That one I can swear.
Who killed him? Tell us who killed him.
Whose boyfriend?
Who killed him? Tell us who killed him. Tell us who killed
Okay,
him.
okay, what happened?
Okay, fine. No. Let me ask you the question.
I'm just asking.
Why you went to work today? What is Dennis when you know it's in
You
the
are very
house?
lucky.
You were sleeping together in the house. Why you went to work? No. Why you went to work today? You opened his shop. Why you went to work? Where was Dennis?
Okay, let's
Point
listen.
those
Huh?
corrections.
Yes.
Ne? Don't say his shop. Just say our shop.
Okay,
You went for
okay.
Today I came to
Okay.
your shop, okay?
You came
I
to
came
work,
to your
and-
shop. Remember me, I asked you myself, I asked you, where is your husband? You said he's around.
No, what time? No, it was not me. Maybe it was the worker. I never saw you.
You think this one was a crazy?
What time did you come?
At 12, half past 12, I think. I came there, you told me the Dennis is not here, but he's around. From your own mouth. Did you tell me that? Yesterday I came, you saw me yesterday. I came there, you were seated there inside, and then Dennis was outside. And then I asked you, I asked you still, why are you fighting? Tell us the truth. What happened to the Dennis? Tell us the truth.
What I'm telling you.
Okay, go
What I'm
through.
telling you
Yes,
is the truth.
yes. What happened? What happened to him? Okay, fine.
I don't know.
But by the time you leave here,
The
okay,
blood
Linda,
is
go,
for what?
Linda, go.
This blood is
Linda,
for what?
Linda, go. By the time you left, Linda, go. By the time you left here, was he dead or not?
No, ne?
Yeah, yes.
For that question, you can go and check on the cameras. Ne?
No, I'm asking
In the
you.
morning.
Because, yes.
In the morning.
Uh-huh. What happened? In the morning, what happened?
The both of us, we went out.
Uh-huh.
Most of the time, I stayed behind when he doesn't have people in the office.
Yes.
He said, no, I have things to do in the office.
I understand. Go ahead.
Okay, go to the office. You call that girl and open, and then around 12, before you notice, I will be there. Even when I reach there, I just open, I leave that girl there. I went to sit with my friends. That's what I did. So after 4, this other one came. He said, where is Dennis? I said, no, Dennis is in the town. Call him. He said, no, I'm calling. He's not picking. Okay, I'm also calling. He's not picking.
Okay, where is your phone?
I don't know. Someone took it here.
Why is the bed turned upside down? Why was he down the bed?
Was he under the bed or was on top of the
I
bed?
don't know.
You don't stay
I
here.
want to ask you the question.
You don't stay here.
The time my paper came to say, let us go, we check inside. They found you when you were pushing the body under the bed. Why?
Why are you closing the door? When the people are asking you why you closing the door?
I never closed the door. This door, it closed itself, and then when you are inside, you can open. Outside must open.
I'm still wearing my clothes. Why how do you wear clothes?
You said you're still wearing clothes. You're still putting on clothes. You say that,
I
right?
came out of dress. Why are you saying I was
Okay, sorry. When did you realize that he was unconscious or whatever did? When did you realize?
It's a 1 hour.
It's a 1 hour ago.
I don't know.